Volkswagen is continuing to ramp up the speed of the electrical transformation. The latest hardware and software updates to the ID.3, ID.4 and ID.5 are now set to be followed by the start of series production of the brand new ID.7. Measuring almost 5 meters long and equipped with the best convenience features, the ID.7 is a Volkswagen positioned in the upper mid-size vehicle class. Here, it impresses with a new high-efficiency drive, long ranges, quick charging, generous space, a brand new high-tech interior concept, and a high-quality standard. The new electric drive motor is the central module of this efficient drive unit. It is the most powerful and highest torque electric drive motor in a Volkswagen ID model so far. The lithium-ion battery located in the sandwich floor is responsible for energy supply in the ID.7. On board the launch version of the ID.7 Pro, the battery offers a net energy content of 77 kWh. The ID.7 Pro with a 77 kWh battery already underlines its suitability for long-distance driving with a combined WLTP consumption of 16.3 to 14.1 kWh 100 km and an ANG of up to 621 kilometers.